3 people in a rickshaw in Jaipur have been killed. 6 others have been injured after a BMW being driven by Siddharth Meheria, the son of an independent MLA from Sikar in Rajasthan, struck them. Meheria claims the car was being driven by a driver at the time of this accident.
An MLA's son, a 22-year-old boy, was driving this BMW car that actually rammed into an auto which is right here and killed 3 people, one of whom is injured. Now the 2 people, we've met the victims' families who were in this auto, both extremely poor people. One person works in a shoe shop. He was the mainstay of his family. He earns about 12 to 15,000 rupees a month. The other man also leaves behind 3 young children and a wife to support. And of course, this is the BMW car. Now, please see how badly damaged it is. In fact, right till the engine, the damage can be seen. And if you look inside, the airbags have all opened up with the impact of the collision. Also, interestingly, the number plates of this car are now not visible. So it seems to be that after the accident, the number plates have been removed off this BMW, or it got removed in the accident, though of course the collision is from front. This BMW then hit a stationary PCR van. So you can see the impact of the PCR van. Also, the PCR van was stationary and the BMW came from the back and hit the PCR van. This is also Siddharth Meheria's version. We spoke to him and he said that he had come out to have an ice cream with his friend at about 1:32 at night. According to him, he did not see the auto which was coming towards him without any lights on. And so he said when he realized that the auto was right on him, that's when the collision occurred. He also maintains that the driver was driving the car. It was not him. Of course, we have spoken to eyewitnesses, one of whom told us that a young boy wearing a black t-shirt was driving the car. Secondly, all eyewitnesses have said that the car was at a very, very high speed and it rammed into the auto. I also asked Siddharth specifically that since it was 2 a.m. at night, is it possible that you consumed alcohol? He said no, he had not had any alcohol. In fact, he'd only gone out for an ice cream. But we have the police DCP South on record saying that the breath analyzer has shown traces of alcohol. So that's the case as it stands as of now. Siddharth's version contradicting what the police and the eyewitnesses are saying. In Jaipur, Harsha Kumari Singh for NDTV.